Car Story research indicates this vehicle as a good deal with these ratings. Come test drive the 2016 Versa. With its roomy and inviting interior, impressive technology, and exceptional gas mileage, the Nissan Versa is smart to own and fun to drive, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, AM/FM stereo radio, FWD, rear defrost, MP3 playback stereo, bucket seats. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.